Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to the online classes. In the last class, you have studied about classes and objects, how to create a class, how to define a class, and how to create an object, and about access specifiers, right? Today, we'll start with a new chapter, that is function overloading. What do you mean by function overloading? As you know, function means the large programs are divided into set of subprograms. That subprograms are called as your functions, right? Now, what is function overloading? Function overloading means it's a process of defining the same function name. It is a process of defining the same function name to carry out the similar activities with different data items. ಏನು function overloading means? Function overloading is a process of defining two or more functions with same function name to perform similar activities with different data items. ಏನು ಹಂಗಂತಂದ್ರೆ two or more functions can have same function name, but what should be the difference? The number of arguments or the type of the argument should be different. Two or more functions can have the same function name, but it should differ in number of arguments or the data type of the arguments. For example, suppose you have a function called sum. Suppose you have to add two numbers, that is two integer numbers as well as two decimal numbers. What will be the function? Sum. For integer, int, return type is int, function name is sum, argument key star int a comma int b, int a comma int b. For float, float sum of float a comma float b, float b. This is an example for your function overloading. Here the function name are same, and the number of arguments are also same. Here also two arguments are there, here also two arguments are there, but type of the arguments are different. What is the type of the argument here? Here the type of the argument is integer, here the type of the argument is float. What is function overloading? Two or more functions can have the same function name, but it should differ in the either in number of arguments or in the data type of the arguments. Next, what are the advantages of your function overloading? What are the advantages of your function overloading? The first one is code execution is easier. Code execution is easier. Second one is easy to understand the flow of instruction and debug. Easy to understand the flow of instruction and debug. Flow of instruction and debug. Flow of instruction and debug. Third one is easier interface between your program and the real world objects, easier interface between program and the real world objects. Next, code maintenance is easy. Fourth advantage is code maintenance is easy. What are the advantages of your function overloading? That is code execution, easy to understand and debug, interface between your program and the real world objects, code maintenance is easy. How the code execution is easier? Here, directly compiler can choose the which function should execute. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಂಪೈಲರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದ ಕೋಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಸ್ easier, easy to understand the flow. Control flow is easier to understand, and debug means checking and correction of your error are easier. Next, interface between your program and real world objects. You can build real world problems. You can easily build the real world problems using your OOPS program, OOPS concept. These are the advantages of your function overloading. Function overloading means two or more functions can have the same function name, but it should differ in the number of arguments as well as in the number of data type of your arguments. Next one, how to declare the functions. How to declaration of your function. Declaration of your function. The functions in your function overloading can be declared as your normal functions. You normal functions na hege declare ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ, similarly you can declare the functions. That is return type, syntax is return type, function name, return type, function name with argument list and semicolon. Return type, function name, argument list should be enclosed within a parenthesis and should end with semicolon. Return type, function name, argument list. This is the declaration of your function. Declaration of your function. How to define your function? How to define your function? Just replace your function declaration with the function body. Just replace your function declaration with the function definition. Means what? Function declaration ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರೋ ಅದರ ಬದಲು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You have to attach it with function body. Function declaration ಅಂದ್ರೆ just you have to declare the header of the function. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Function declaration ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ just you have to declare the function header. Definition means you have to attach the function with function body. You have to attach function with your function body. For example, Example for your function declaration.
declaration.
Int
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 sum
sum
int
int
a comma
a comma
int
int
b.
b.
Int
Int
a comma
a comma
int
int
b.
b.
Here
Here
int is a
int is a
return type,
return
sum
type,
is a
sum is a
function name,
function name,
int a and
int
int b
a
are
and
the
int b are the
argument list, and
argument list,
argument
and
list should be
argument list should be
enclosed within a
enclosed within a
parenthesis,
parenthesis,
and declaration
and
should end
declaration
with
should end with
semicolon.
semicolon.
Now how to
Now,
define this
how to
sum
define this
function?
sum function?
Just remove
Just
this
remove this
semicolon,
semicolon,
open the flower
open the
bracket,
flower bracket,
write the
write the
function body,
function
or
body,
write the
or
set of
write the set of
operations, that
operations.
is
That is
return
return,
return
return
a plus
a plus
b,
b,
a plus
a plus
b.
b.
Declaration ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ
Declaration
you have
ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ
to
you
just
have to
declare
just
the
declare
function
the
header.
function header.
ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Function
ಏನೇನು
header
ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು
ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ?
ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್
ಜಸ್ಟ್
ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ?
ರಿಟರ್ನ್
Just
ಟೈಪ್,
return type,
ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೇಮ್,
function name,
ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್.
argument list.
Argument list should
Argument
be
list should be
enclosed within a
enclosed within a
parenthesis and
parenthesis
should end
and
with the
should end with the
semicolon.
semicolon.
Definition ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ
Definition ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ
you have to
you have to
attach the
attach the
function body
function
to
body
your
to your
function
function
header. ನಿಮ್ಮ
header.
ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್
ನಿಮ್ಮ
ಹೆಡರಿಗೆ
function header ಗೆ
ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಡಿಯನ್ನ
function bodyಯನ್ನ
ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
attach
ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಆಸ್
that is called as
ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್.
definition.
We'll see
We'll see
simple
simple
program.
program.
Class
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 function
function
overload,
overload,
function
function
f overload.
f overload.
Class is a
Class
keyword,
is a
f
keyword,
overload is
f
a
overload is
class
a
name.
class name.
Class is an
Class is an
keyword, f
keyword,
overload is
f
an
overload is an
function
function
class name.
class name.
Open the flower
Open the
bracket,
flower bracket,
open the flower
open the
bracket.
flower bracket.
Here
Here
int
int
public is an
public is
access
an access
specifiers. There are three
specifiers.
types
There
of
are
access
three types of
specifiers.
access
They
specifiers.
are
They are
public,
public,
private and
private and
protected.
protected.
Here I am using
Here I am using
private access
private access
specifier,
specifier,
private
private
int
int
int b
int b
return
return
a plus
a
b,
plus b,
float
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 return
return
p plus
p plus
q.
q.
Close the
Close
class.
the class.
How to close the
How to
class?
close the class?
Just end with
Just
the
end with the
semicolon.
semicolon.
Now main
Now
function,
main function,
that is
that is void main of.
next statement is
Next statement
creation
is
of your
creation of
object.
your
How to create
object.
the
How to
object?
create the object?
Function
Function,
class name
class name
and
and
object name.
object name.
ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೇಮ್
Class name
ಸ್ಪೇಸ್
space
ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್.
object name.
Next, how to
Next,
call the
how to call
member
the
functions?
member functions.
How to call your
How
member
to call your
functions?
member functions.
Just
Just
use your
use your
object name
object name
and dot
and dot
operator.
operator.
Call your
Call your
member functions.
member
How to call your
functions. How
member
to call your
functions?
member functions
Using your
using
object
your
name
object
and
name
dot
and
operator,
dot
you have to
operator.
call
You
the
have to call the
member functions.
member functions.
Here f
Here f
some more you
some
have to
more you
pass
have to
the
pass the
arguments.
arguments.
You have to
You have to
pass the
pass the
arguments.
arguments.
You have to
You have
pass
to
the
pass the
arguments.
arguments.
Close the
Close the
flower bracket.
flower bracket.
Here
Here
f overload is
f
a
overload is a
class name.
class name.
Class is an
Class is an
keyword.
keyword.
Open the flower
Open the
bracket.
flower bracket.
Public is an
Public is
access
an access
specifier.
specifier.
Public is an
Public is
access
an access
specifier.
specifier.
Colon.
Colon.
You have to
You have to
write the
write the
functions.
functions.
I have
I
created
have
some
created
function
some
here
function
for
here
adding
for adding
or finding
or finding
sum of two
sum
integer
of two
numbers
integer
and
numbers
sum of
and sum
two
of two
decimal numbers.
decimal numbers.
Here I have
Here
used
I have used
same function
same
for
function for
both the
both the
operations.
operations.
This is called as function
Function
overloading. Here
overloading. Here
function name are
function
same.
name are same.
Int sum,
Int sum,
float sum.
float sum.
Function name are
Function
same in
name are
both the
same in
cases,
both the
but
cases.
the
But
data type
the
of
data
the
type of the
data type are
data type are
different.
different.
In both the
In both
cases,
the cases,
function name are
function
same.
name
What is
are
the
same.
function
What is the
name? It
function
is
name? It
sum.
is sum.
But the
But
data
the
type are
data type
different. In the
are
first
different. In
case,
the first
data type
case,
is
data type is
integer type.
integer
In the
type.
second
In the
case,
second
data
case,
type is
data type is
float, that is
float. That is
decimal values.
decimal values.
Every program
Every
starts
program
with your
starts with your
main function.
main function.
Every program
Every program
starts with your
starts with your
main
main
function.
function.
What is the first
What is the
statement
first
here?
statement here?
Creation of your
Creation of your
object. What
object.
is the first
What is the
statement?
first statement?
Creation of your
Creation of your
object.
object.
How to create
How
an
to create
object?
an object?
Class name
Class name
space
space
object name.
object name.
Creation of your
Creation
object
of your
means what?
object means what?
Creation of your
Creation
object
of your
means
object means
allocating some
allocating some
memory space.
memory space.
Allocating some
Allocating some
memory
memory
space.
space.
Next, how to
Next,
call your
how to
member
call your
functions?
member functions?
How to
How to
call your
call
member
your
functions?
member
By
functions
using your
by
object
using your
name,
object name,
dot operator,
dot operator,
function name,
function name,
argument list.
argument list.
Argument list. As
Argument
soon
list.
as
As
this
soon as
statement
this
is
statement is
invoked,
invoked,
f dot
f
sum of,
dot sum
what
of,
are the
what
arguments
are the
here?
arguments
10
here?
comma
10 comma
20. 10
20.
comma
10
20.
comma
F
20.
dot
F
sum of
dot sum
10
of
comma
10
20.
comma
As
20.
soon as
As
this
soon as
statement
this
is
statement is
invoked,
invoked,
what happens?
what happens?
The
The
compiler is
compiler is
searches for the
searches for the
two arguments
two
first.
arguments first.
Compiler checks
Compiler
for your
checks for
two
your
arguments.
two arguments.
Compiler ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ?
Compiler ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ?
Or control
Or
goes to your
control goes to your
function section.
function section.
ನಿಮ್ಮ control
ನಿಮ್ಮ
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? As
control
soon as
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
this
As soon as
statement is
this
invoked
statement
or
is
this
invoked
statement
or
is
this statement is
executed,
executed,
control ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
control
ನಿಮ್ಮ
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
functions
ನಿಮ್ಮ functions
ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
section ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ?
ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ?
ಟೂ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್
ಟೂ
ಇರುವಂತಹ
ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್
ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್
ಇರುವಂತಹ
ನ
ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್
ಸರ್ಚ್
ನ
ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಸರ್ಚ್
ಸಮ್
ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್
ಸಮ್
ಸರ್ಚ್
ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ವಿತ್
ಸರ್ಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ಟೂ
ವಿತ್ ಟೂ
ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್.
ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್.
ಹಿಯರ್
Here
we have two
we have
arguments
two
in both the
arguments in
cases,
both the
right?
cases, right?
ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ
Integer numbers
ನಾವು
ಅಲ್ಲೂ
ಟೂ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್
two
ಅನ್ನು
arguments
ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಫ್ಲೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ
Floating ಅಲ್ಲೂ
ಟೂ
ಕೂಡ
ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್
two
ಅನ್ನು
arguments
ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Then what the
Then what
compiler
the
will check?
compiler will check?
Compiler will check
Compiler will check
the
the
data type of
data
your
type of your
arguments.
arguments.
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್
Number
ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್
of
ಬೇಸ್ಡ್
arguments
ಆನ್ ದ
based
ನಂಬರ್
on
ಆಫ್
the number of
ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ
arguments
ಡೇಟಾ ಟೈಪ್
and
ಆಫ್
the
your
data type of
arguments.
your argument.
What compiler
What
does?
compiler does?
Compiler will
Compiler will
execute the
execute the
function
function
based on your
based
number
on
of
your
arguments
arguments
and data
and
type of
data
your
type of your
arguments.
arguments.
Compiler will
Compiler will
execute the
execute the
respective
respective
functions.
functions.
Here There are two
there are two
arguments. They are
arguments.
of
They
type
are of type
integer.
integer.
The control goes
The
to
control
your
goes to your
first
first
function, that is
function, that is
integer type of
integer type of
function.
function.
ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ what we
ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ
are passing
what we
here,
are
we are
passing here, we
passing
are passing
10
10
20
20.
ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ,
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
10
ಇದ್ದೀವಿ,
ಮತ್ತು
10
20ಯನ್ನು
ಮತ್ತೆ
ನಾವು
20ನ್ನ ನಾವು
ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
ಪಾಸ್
ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಿಸ್
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ,
10 is
this 10
copied
is
to
copied to
a,
a,
10 is
10 is
copied to
copied
a,
to a,
20 is
20 is
copied to
copied to
b.
b.
Here we are
Now
passing
we are passing
10 and
10 and
20 to
20
the
to the
called function.
called function.
This is called as
This is called as
calling function.
calling
This is
function.
called as
This is
called
called as
function.
called function.
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ,
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ,
calling function ಗೆ
calling
ನಾವು
function
called
ಗೆ ನಾವು
function ಗೆ
called function ಗೆ
10 ಮತ್ತೆ
10
20 ಅನ್ನ
ಮತ್ತೆ 20 ಅನ್ನ
ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
ಪಾಸ್
ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ,
ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ,
10 is
10 is
assigned to a,
assigned to a,
20 is
20
assigned
is
to
assigned to
b.
b.
Next, what is the
Next,
body
what
of
is the
your
body of your
some function
some
here?
function
You
here?
have to
You have
return
to return
a plus b.
a
What is the
plus b.
value of
What is the
a?
value of a?
That is 10
That is
plus
10 plus
b value is
b value is
20.
20.
What I will get?
What I will get?
10 plus 20
10
is
plus 20
30.
is 30.
You have to
You have to
return this
return
30
this
to
30
the
to the
calling function.
calling function.
You have to
You
return
have to return
this
this
30 to the
30 to the
calling
calling
function.
function.
Next,
Next,
what is the next
what is the
statement in
next
the main
statement in
function?
the main function?
F dot
F
sum
dot
of
sum of
10.2 comma
10.2 comma
20.2.
20.2.
Again, the
Again,
compiler
the
what it
compiler
does?
what it does?
It searches for
It
the
searches for the
number of
number
argument
of
function
argument function
where number
where
of
number
arguments
of
and data type
arguments
of
and data type
arguments
of arguments
matches.
matches.
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ,
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ,
compiler searches
compiler
for the
searches for
function
the function
which has
which has
two arguments
two
and of
arguments
type
and of type
float.
float.
Here
Here
10.2
10.2
and
and
20.2.
20.2.
Control comes to this
Control comes to
function.
this function.
10.2 is
10.2
copied
is
to
copied to
P.
P.
20.2
20.2
is copied
is
to
copied to
Q.
Q.
10.2 is
10.2
copied to
is
P.
copied to P.
20.2 is copied to
20.2 is
Q.
copied to Q.
What will I get?
What will I get?
10.2
10.2
plus
plus
20.2, that is
20.2, that is
30.4.
30.4.
I have to
I have
return
to
30.4 to the
30.4
calling
calling
function, that is here.
function, that is here.
Got it?
Got it?
How the function
The
overloading
function overloading
works?
works.
As I said,
As I
every
said,
program
every
starts with your
program
main
starts with your
function.
main function.
As soon as main
As soon
functions
as main functions
executed, what is the first
executed,
statement
what is the
here?
first statement
Creation
here?
of your
Creation
object.
of your object.
Creation of your object
Creation
is
of your
nothing but
object
you are
is nothing but
allocating
you are
memory.
allocating memory.
Allocating memory.
Memory.
Next, what is the next
Next,
statement?
what is
You
the
are
next
calling
statement? You
the
are calling the
member function. You
member
are
function. You
calling
are
the
calling the
member
member
functions.
functions.
How to call the
How
member
to call the
function?
member function?
Object name,
Object
dot
name,
operator,
dot operator,
function name
function
with
name
argument
with
list.
argument
As
list.
soon as this
As soon
statement
as
is
this statement is
executed or
executed
as soon
or
as this
as soon
function
as
is
this function
invoked,
is invoked,
what compiler
what
does?
compiler does?
Compiler will
Compiler will
execute the
execute
function
the function
based on your
based on
number
your
of
number
arguments
of
and
arguments
the data
and
type
the
of your
data type of
arguments.
your arguments.
ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ
What
compiler
is the compiler
based on your
based on your
number of
number of
arguments and
arguments
your
and your
data type of your
data type of
arguments.
your
ಆ
arguments.
ಎರಡು
ಆ ಎರಡು
criteria ಮೇಲೆ
criteria ಮೇಲೆ
based on that two
based on that two
criteria,
criteria,
what
what
compiler does?
compiler
Compiler will
compiler
execute
will
the
execute the
function.
function.
Compiler will
Compiler will
execute the
execute the
function.
function.
Next one is what are the restrictions of your
restrictions
in your function
in your
overloading?
function overloading?
Function overloading ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು restrictions ಇರುತ್ತೆ? The first one
The
is
first one is
function
function
name should be
name should
same.
be same.
Two or more function name should be same.
Same.
But what should be
What
different?
should be different?
The number of
The number of
arguments
arguments
or the
or
data type of
the
your
data type
argument
of your
should be
argument should be
different. What is the
different. What is
restriction?
the restriction?
The function
The
name should be
function name
same.
should be
Function
same.
name
Function name
ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು?
ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು?
Function name same
Function name
ಇರಬೇಕು.
same ಇರಬೇಕು.
But
But
ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? Number
ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು?
of
Number
arguments
of
different
arguments
ಇರಬೇಕು.
different ಇರಬೇಕು.
Or else
Or else
data type of
data
your
type of your
argument should be
argument should be different.
ಅಂತ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್
Function
ಓವರ್ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್.
overloading.
This is the restriction for your function overloading. ಏನು? ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್. ಬಟ್ the number of arguments and the data type of your argument should be different. ನಿಮ್ಮ number of arguments ಅಥವಾ data type of your arguments ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? different ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. That is called as function overloading. We'll see some other functions in your C++. Some other functions used in your class. There are two more functions are there. First one is inline function. First one is inline function. Second one is friend function. First one is inline function. Second one is friend function. We'll see what is inline function first. What is inline function ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. Before that, why we need inline function? ಯಾಕೆ inline function ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ? Because a normal function call ಆದಾಗ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ process ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Function should be invoked and you have to allocate memory for the local variables, right? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ವೋಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಲೋಕಲ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಮೆಮೊರಿಯನ್ನ ಅಲೋಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. These are the time taking process. And also consumes more space. Normal function call ಆದಾಗ when normal function call happens, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? You have to invoke the function and you have to create memory for your local variables. It takes much more time and also consumes more space. For that reason, we are using inline function. Inline function is a single line function. Inline function is a single line function or short function in which compiler will replace function call with your function body. Listen carefully. It's an important topic. Inline function means it's a single line function. It's a single line function or short function where compiler will replaces the function call with function body. You know, inline function, it's a short single function. ಏನು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಲೈನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಪೈಲರ್? ಯಾವಾಗ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇನ್ವೋಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಿಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗೋ ಬದಲು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ call will be replaced with your function body. How to create your inline function? Inline function is created with the keyword inline. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಲೈನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಲೈನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತರನೇ ಇನ್ಲೈನ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟೈಪ್ inline return type function name with argument list next function body. How to declare and define the inline functions using your keyword, that is inline return type function name argument list and open flower bracket body of your function. We'll see one example. Suppose you want to find a cube of a number. Suppose you want to find a cube of a number. Inline int cube int a return a into a. Next void main of int x comma y. I am declaring two variables here, x comma y. Next cout enter value for x. Enter value for your x. cin x y equal to cube of x cout cube equal to x. How it works? As I said, inline function is a single line function or short function. Inline function ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನು? It contains very short operations, very short function body. ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Very short function body ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It's a single line operation or single line short function where compiler will replace the function call with your function body. We'll see how it works. Okay. As I said, every program starts with your main function. Main function is start agutte. Here we are creating two variables, x and y. X is to take the input, y is to store the result. x ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ x ನಾವು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. y ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ cout enter value for x. value for your x. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ user will give some value. I have given as test 2. Now what is the value of x? X will be 2. Next, y equal to cube of x. Even inline function is called inline function ಅನ್ನ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿನೇ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು y equal to cube of x. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, as soon as this function is called, as soon as this function is invoked, the control ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲು ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ರೈಟ್, ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇದು ಇನ್ಲೈನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಇದು ಇನ್ಲೈನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ವೋಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲು ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ here the function is inline. The function is inline function, right? Here the function is inline function. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, as I said, the compiler will replaces the function call with your function body. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಹಿಯರ್? ರಿಟರ್ನ್ a into a into a. ಅದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಇನ್ಲೈನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನು, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಡಿ. I hope you understood this. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ವೋಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲು ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲು ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಇನ್ಲೈನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಸೇಸ್, what definition says, it's a short function where the compiler will replaces the function call with the function body. ಏನು ಕಂಪೈಲರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಡಿಯಿಂದ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ as soon as the function invoked, as soon as the function call is invoked, this is called as function call, right? As soon as this function call is invoked, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it is replaced with your function body. What is the function body here? Return a into a. What is the a value? What is the x value? X value is copied to your a, right? That is 2 into 2. That is 2 cube is 8. 8 value ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, y ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 8 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? What is the difference between your inline function and your normal function? In normal function ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ would jump for your respective function. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ಲೈನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ವೋಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ that function call is replaced with or substituted with your function body, respective function body. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೀವು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರೋ ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is inline functions. We'll see what are the advantages of this inline functions. What are the advantages of your inline functions? Compact function calls. Advantages of your inline functions. advantages of your advantages of your inline functions. Advantages of your inline functions. First one is compact function call. Compact function call. Second one is speed of the execution increases. Speed of your execution of your program increases. Speed of increases. Speed increases. Third one, very efficient code is generated. Very efficient code is generated. Fourth one is readability of the program increases. Readability of your program increases. Readability of your program increases. What are the advantages of your inline function? Compact code or compact function is function calls. What is compact function calls? That is short functions. First advantage is it's a short function. Next, speed of your execution of your program increases. As I said, inline function ಕಾಲ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಓವರ್ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ವೋಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲೋಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಲೋಕಲ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಓವರ್ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ reduce ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? Instead of that, what compiler does? Compiler will replaces the function call with the function body. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Program execution will be speed. Third one is efficient code. Efficient code means as I said, the function call is replaced with your function body, right? And it's a short function. You can build very efficient code easily. Next, readability. Readability ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Easily compiler can read the program. Easily compiler can read the program. What it does mean? Suppose when the function is called, right, the function call is replaced with your function body. If you call function for the first time, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Once the body will be replaced. Function call is replaced with function body, right? Means what? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ definition of your class, next variable declaration, object creation, next function call ಬದಲು ನಿಮ್ಮ function body ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ compiler can easily read the file program. These are the advantages of your inline function. There is one disadvantage also. What is the disadvantage? The disadvantage is size of your executable file is increases. Size of your executable file will increases. How? ಹೇಗೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಬಲ್ ಫೈಲಿನ ಸೈಜ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್. ಹೌ? ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ನೀವು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಯೋರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೀವು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಡಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಸಲ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಡಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೈಸ್ ಸೊ ಆನ್. ಹೌದಾ, ಎಸ್ ಸಲ ನೀವು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಡಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಬಲ್ ಫೈಲು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಬಲ್ ಫೈಲು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್. What is inline function? Inline function is the short function in which compiler will replace the function call with your function body. ಕಂಪೈಲರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Okay, then one more function is there, that is friend function. We'll see it in next class. Thank you.